Hi everybody, my name is McCall Philly. McCall Grace I also go by. So my website is about food. It's all about food. I learned that I loved food after I got married, and I just decided that I wanted to be able to create something that I could personally use throughout the years to add in my recipes. Here I have some of my favorite recipes that I have tried, and I will continue to put in more recipes as the days go by, and I have the links to go to. And then I've also gotten really into the Food Network and the chefs that work on that. And so my favorite thing to learn from them is all of their crazy tips that have really helped me understand how to cook and how to be a better chef. And so that's what I kind of want to help people see, as well as myself, good tips to help with cooking. I'm going to have a feature meal every week that is going to be something that I try every week, and I'll post the recipe on there. And then I also have supply reviews, and I will continue to be adding certain supplies. I have not tried some of these supplies out, but I do have the reviews for some of these head chefs and users that have used these specific products, and I will continue to do that as well. I think the hardest thing about this website for me was just learning how to work with CSS, because I have a lot of ideas. I tend to be super creative, but way out of the box. And so I feel like for me it was hard to kind of control that and to figure out what can I actually accomplish. Um, but I learned the most was doing HTML, and I loved working with that and being able to put in the code and be able to see something created like this. I really, like I said, I love to be creative and I like to have big ideas, but I really did want to stick with a neutral color palette and just grays and blacks and just this off purple. And I really like to stick with that stuff. And I hope you enjoyed my website, and I hope to get positive feedback. Thanks so much.